if you are coming here, important to remember, if you're flying from the UK, this is not through passport control yet. You've got all of this and people stop and faff about, but you've still got passport control after this, so just get through there and there's loads of stuff at the gate. And this is Terminal A, guys, so loads of options, more duty free, sweet shops, Burger King, bars. So yeah, just get through security, takes all the worry off, and now you're in here, straight to the gate. So nice and simple. All the gates are just off to the right hand side. But yeah, as you can probably see on the camera, very long terminal. Bed ordered. We got here pretty early, didn't we? Yeah. Alright, we got here early, which was great, and then went through security. Bit of a hold up at security. The guy in front of us had a knife, so that was entertaining. But once we got all through that, and then through duty free, and through all of that bit, and then passport control into the terminal, only about half an hour, wasn't it? It's really good. So thank you for your time. It's Saturday. It was 8 o'clock in the morning when we arrived. It is now 20 to 10. Yeah, we're pretty much done everything. We're just going to pick up a few souvenirs for some people who might be looking after a fur baby for us. And yeah, we will catch you on the plane, guys. If anybody can explain to me why, after passport control, when you're at the gate, they sell more luggage. Never understood it.